Today's question is, can rosemary water be used on your hair every day? And we're going to answer it in this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 24 of our 30 days hair growth challenge. So today we're going to answer a popular question in the natural hair community concerning rosemary water. So this is the question: can rosemary water be used on your hair every day? First of all, what is rosemary water? Rosemary water is an infusion made up of rosemary leaves. They can be dried leaves or fresh leaves and water. You want to know if rosemary water can be used on your hair every day? The answer to your question is absolutely yes. Yes, you can use rosemary water on your hair every day. And why? You can use it on your hair every day because rosemary water has antioxidant properties, which are good for the health of your scalp and for your hair. It will stimulate circulation at the level of your scalp, and it will improve hair growth. It will fight dandruff. It will make your hair shiny. It will make your hair grow longer and stronger and healthier. So honestly, you can definitely use it every day, especially if it is natural rosemary water that you are doing yourself in your home with clean water, clean rosemary leaves. And if you're doing it yourself and there are no preservative agents and nothing added to it, you can definitely use it on your hair every day. And this is what I am doing in this 30 days hair growth challenge. I have this rosemary and clove water that I spray on my hair every day, and the recipe is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. I spray this like this twice per day. So I spray it like this and I massage it into my scalp. And do you know what I noticed? Because I've been doing a length check every 7 days ever since I started this challenge. Day 1, my hair was at 38 centimeters. On day 7, 39 centimeters. Day 14, 40 centimeters. Day 21, 41 centimeters. If you're consistent and you apply rosemary water on your hair twice per day, because I do it twice per day, not even once, twice per day. If you do this twice per day, you see a clear improvement in terms of hair growth, and in terms of shine, and in terms of strength, and in terms of texture even of your hair. I hope I've convinced you to join my 30 days hair growth challenge, and if this is the case, please write in the comment section. I'm joining you for this challenge. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section. Please share this challenge with anybody whom you know would want to grow your hair longer. If you like my videos, please leave a thumbs up, and so as to encourage me, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you and see you soon.